What this year? And now mama, aloma ka odehe. Me baba umanye mene ka TV Adom TV. Na tomo ye. Ni mena okwe Adom TV ka yewale. Nkuranhyensem na mehya woso yi. Me amede dwumadi ho chia me so ni me dada boba mentie. Mate me da se woso bebo odini. E fra adwoa me boa. Na akwadwo. Metimpo afa che me. Ho ye de. Me senya me nhira e de ma abrabo. Me sere adom se ennom na ensempa emfiri mu mpie na enegye enware wo. Wadi fi ene ofi bam nyinara. Na yedie emfa wo ento ne nsam ema yedie enware wo. Ene dey me pese mbiso asembi. Se eba no aware a wo ware se ba na brabo a wo buo. Se wa fa manager bi so nhwe so mawo a ka be koso a ema ayadwuma ma. So wo hwe abrabo mo results. Wo hwe be abrabo be du na ka abrabo hye manager bi nsa sa manager no bo na baso. Be abrabo be du semre. Manager wo hwe abrabo so no betu abo na baso. Manager no ankasa no, you are your own life manager and don't give up on yourself. Put yourself up and take charge over your life's direction. Don't compare your life with others, for you cannot be like others. Wabrabo no one wabrabo so hwesofo. One wabrabo so manager. Wadwuma woyo, wapomudne, wawade, wadisua. You are the manager of every element of your life. So besum nyame, so besum bonsam, you are the manager. Ami de mesra se sum nyankopon na pa bonsam achi wate. So be power repa. So aware be de, so me hu ha. Wona wo ye aware no manager. Therefore you have to take charge. So for abra bo hye wonsa. Na ope akande bi so say where do I want to be at? Hina me de mabra bo eko. And why do I even want to go there? Ask the where and find out the why. A day na me pese my brabo a dance sonko e wo nipam. What do I want to be known for? A dim man and pese a frame. Ashen so there ben and pese me jana brabom. And why do I want to do that? Sika. Here sika emma kosi se obepe de abeyo. Money follows a good life decision. So stop following money and start thinking about how you can add value to your life and to the life of others. Then you can become great. So obede akande be kan abrabo ho na aso na agu nkrofo so na ye fa ni nkonimidie. That you are able to add value to your life and that others will benefit from your life. That's the only time you can say you're successful. Take charge of your life. Let love permeate through your actions. Let somebody be touched by your love. Ma obinya wa brabo so mfaso. Ma obinya wa brabo nsem ka so mfaso. So fatimu po abi say timu po am fei mfaso be na de bre me ne woni e ben me. Ye wona ayeye nyina no wona brabo de mfaso de bro obi. De mobile phone. Won sika wanya. Esanse odwene ho mobile phone akoto bi enti no. Wanya mfaso afiri ho. So every time you do things that benefit others, you succeed and make money. Stop focusing on making money and start focusing on adding value to the life of others. Add value to yourself and stop comparing yourself to others. You are capable if you prepare yourself. Ade bia ni wa untimi nyo so nya hyehyeye a ode be yo a. Think big and think that you are capable of achieving your goals. So first get a vision. Where do I want to go to? What do I want my life to look like? How do I want people to call me? A good father, a good mother, a good friend, a hardworking worker? How do I want people to describe me? That's the vision you have. And so I didn't know about Chagu and this one. Ubedi achide. And to be say vision ben am what my brabo ne. Me ton ade wo dwom. E de na mpese won e beto ade na be frɛ me. Mami we de koto na ade osre o. No afrɛ mo meto bi mami o. Abaye kwa me mami e boka abaye kwa me na o rabra oto ade yo se me da se obeto ade na mami. Wo chan sambra biom. Oto ade ni pa beto ade na fi so. On twento akɔ. Emfa so de wunya da. abrabo no etoje wankasa woni obi ton ade odwom wo ye to na ade sen wo ya ahwe se de ne subante obi ti ofie ho na wade efe ne ma enege ya ahwe de woyo wo hwe na wa hu na bisa no adesuade etuntwada. You can always create a vision for your life and pursue the vision and set goals. Anapa se me ye we awia se me ye wie anwumre se me ye wie ade ba chi se me nya sa ade we have targets. Now prepare to take your step towards meeting your targets. Ade bi ada to ade so abeyo no obetimi ayo. Put yourself in the game of becoming extraordinary. You can choose to become an ordinary Ghanaian or an extraordinary Ghanaian. But you can say, "Abraboni mi de mi bubi keke eye ya mafa debi." Nyahunu se udimu osefata na beti me bu bra edimu. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less. Decide to be great. Enya tare abehye ne kuntan. Enya makeup abehye ne kuntan. Enya shoe abehye ne watch abehye. Enya no na be chise wa brabo e de abehye no adwen proso e suba abehye no adwen proso e nimdia obehye no adwen proso eni nyansa ena de abrabo ekonanim nyansa. Until you are made to be great, think great, pursue great knowledge, adwenia edimu, pursue great understanding, nyantiase a esefata edimu, and take great actions. Serve great men in great ways, and you can be great. Sumpa, na sumnipa, you are capable. Yes, you can. Yes, there are wars in your life that you have to overcome. You are first year so bunkam so. First you ni be baby a ufreba. Ade de kire wo say ye ne ne enye. Emra e hyema wo, emra bi wo say obuso. Obu aye wo ya kire say so anko university a onye yie. Enya no kure university ye pa ebie wadwemu na won koye no nkire se untimi ye yie enye obi a ye yie bia no ko university ena dodo na so akọ university a wona ye yie abusua baby out in the day you are in charge of your life, therefore take charge of your life. And for abrabon to obi ho o minyan kam se ni te kotego o minyan kam se Sandra o minyan kam se dache hene o minyan kam so mi adum wa ba adum adum anti dey enya adum pe na ba ya adwuma ye be hu wo betuma bubura na wa kura se ho yatonka yesi se wutimi ko anadwo ha epe number fia mafo be bro kwan aba wa kura abetonam. If you are able to go for hunting and get the best of catch, people will beat a pathway to your village. Maybe out tibiano. Ma brabo enshani. Ma brabo enimu. Nanyehu say brabo, you are in charge of your life. And you create the directions that your life must go. Onyami shirao. Onyami kan. Onyami mo ho ban. Na omma wo suban ni nyansa abetimi da kora brabo na dimu. Na onfa abrabọ ntutu obi dia ho so wo ntutu ho bia fa abrabọ to onyame obo wo no ho na ka che wo se meyese ne yankopon e ka sa menyo no mo ma me na Thomas me cameraman ase na me na Frank oya me sound ase na me na MCR me floor manager and empo me lighting fo ase na me production na me na production team ase me kanama kan say awura Sandra Oyuadon Priscilla me da ase Thomas Enhiran kan dache hene oyo hene mapa osumna mdema wo na Webek ampadu me dawase ochina nyame epeye ho a besenhia oni onyame entina